Pratique inglês todos os dias, ouça, fale, pratique e melhore suas habilidades linguísticas com a gente. Quando terminar, continue praticando no nosso app. É grátis. Link na descrição. Hora de praticar.
I want to learn more about investing. I want to learn more about investing.
Eu quero aprender mais sobre investimentos.
I want to learn more about investing. I want to learn more about investing. He invested his money in stocks. He invested his money in stocks.
Ele investiu seu dinheiro em ações.
He invested his money in stocks. He invested his money in stocks. She is saving money for future investments. She is saving money for future investments.
Ela está economizando dinheiro para investimentos futuros.
She is saving money for future investments. She is saving money for future investments. They bought shares in a tech company. They bought shares in a tech company.
Eles compraram ações de uma empresa de tecnologia.
They bought shares in a tech company. They bought shares in a tech company. I prefer low-risk investments. I prefer low-risk investments.
Eu prefiro investimentos de baixo risco.
I prefer low-risk investments. I prefer low-risk investments. We are planning to invest in real estate. We are planning to invest in real estate.
Estamos planejando investir em imóveis.
We are planning to invest in real estate. We are planning to invest in real estate. The stock market is unpredictable. The stock market is unpredictable.
O mercado de ações é imprevisível.
The stock market is unpredictable. The stock market is unpredictable. He made a profit from his investment. He made a profit from his investment.
Ele teve lucro com seu investimento.
He made a profit from his investment. He made a profit from his investment. She lost money in the stock market. She lost money in the stock market.
Ela perdeu dinheiro no mercado de ações.
She lost money in the stock market. She lost money in the stock market. They are looking for a financial advisor. They are looking for a financial advisor.
Eles estão procurando consultor financeiro.
They are looking for a financial advisor. They are looking for a financial advisor. I check my portfolio every week. I check my portfolio every week.
Eu verifico minha carteira toda semana.
I check my portfolio every week. I check my portfolio every week. He invests in mutual funds. He invests in mutual funds.
Ele investe em fundos mútuos.
He invests in mutual funds. He invests in mutual funds. She likes to invest in gold. She likes to invest in gold.
Ela gosta de investir em ouro.
She likes to invest in gold. She likes to invest in gold. They are interested in cryptocurrency. They are interested in cryptocurrency.
Eles estão interessados em criptomoedas.
They are interested in cryptocurrency. They are interested in cryptocurrency. I want to diversify my investments. I want to diversify my investments.
Eu quero diversificar meus investimentos.
I want to diversify my investments. I want to diversify my investments. He puts money into different assets. He puts money into different assets.
Ele coloca dinheiro em diferentes ativos.
He puts money into different assets. He puts money into different assets. She follows market trends closely. She follows market trends closely.
Ela acompanha de perto as tendências do mercado.
She follows market trends closely. She follows market trends closely. They are building a retirement fund. They are building a retirement fund.
Eles estão construindo fundo de aposentadoria.
They are building a retirement fund. They are building a retirement fund. I set financial goals each year. I set financial goals each year.
Eu estabeleço metas financeiras todo ano.
I set financial goals each year. I set financial goals each year. He is cautious with his money. He is cautious with his money.
Ele é cauteloso com seu dinheiro.
He is cautious with his money. He is cautious with his money. She made a smart investment. She made a smart investment.
Ela fez investimento inteligente.
She made a smart investment. She made a smart investment. They monitor their investments regularly. They monitor their investments regularly.
Eles monitoram seus investimentos regularmente.
They monitor their investments regularly. They monitor their investments regularly. I invest a small amount each month. I invest a small amount each month.
Eu invisto uma pequena quantia todo mês.
I invest a small amount each month. I invest a small amount each month. He reads financial news daily. He reads financial news daily.
Ele lê notícias financeiras diariamente.
He reads financial news daily. He reads financial news daily. She took a course on investing. She took a course on investing.
Ela fez curso sobre investimentos.
She took a course on investing. She took a course on investing. They avoid high-risk stocks. They avoid high-risk stocks.
Eles evitam ações de alto risco.
They avoid high-risk stocks. They avoid high-risk stocks. I use an app to track my investments. I use an app to track my investments.
Eu uso aplicativo para acompanhar meus investimentos.
I use an app to track my investments. I use an app to track my investments. He reinvests his dividends. He reinvests his dividends.
Ele reinveste seus dividendos.
He reinvests his dividends. He reinvests his dividends. She opened a brokerage account. She opened a brokerage account.
Ela abriu uma conta em uma corretora.
She opened a brokerage account. She opened a brokerage account. They are investing for their children's future. They are investing for their children's future.
Eles estão investindo para o futuro dos filhos.
They are investing for their children's future. They are investing for their children's future. I want to grow my savings. I want to grow my savings.
Eu quero aumentar minhas economias.
I want to grow my savings. I want to grow my savings. He works with an investment firm. He works with an investment firm.
Ele trabalha com uma empresa de investimentos.
He works with an investment firm. He works with an investment firm. She studies stock charts. She studies stock charts.
Ela estuda gráficos de ações.
She studies stock charts. She studies stock charts. They invest in index funds. They invest in index funds.
Eles investem em fundos de índice.
They invest in index funds. They invest in index funds. I prefer long-term investments. I prefer long-term investments.
Eu prefiro investimentos de longo prazo.
I prefer long-term investments. I prefer long-term investments. He checks the market every morning. He checks the market every morning.
Ele verifica o mercado toda manhã.
He checks the market every morning. He checks the market every morning. She sold her shares for a profit. She sold her shares for a profit.
Ela vendeu suas ações com lucro.
She sold her shares for a profit. She sold her shares for a profit. They are new to investing. They are new to investing.
Eles são novos no mundo dos investimentos.
They are new to investing. They are new to investing. I want to understand how the market works. I want to understand how the market works.
Eu quero entender como o mercado funciona.
I want to understand how the market works. I want to understand how the market works. He researches companies before investing. He researches companies before investing.
Ele pesquisa empresas antes de investir.
He researches companies before investing. He researches companies before investing. She invests in sustainable businesses. She invests in sustainable businesses.
Ela investe em negócios sustentáveis.
She invests in sustainable businesses. She invests in sustainable businesses. They talk to a financial planner. They talk to a financial planner.
Eles conversam com planejador financeiro.
They talk to a financial planner. They talk to a financial planner. I want to start investing soon. I want to start investing soon.
Eu quero começar a investir em breve.
I want to start investing soon. I want to start investing soon. He uses a robo-advisor. He uses a robo-advisor.
Ele usa robô consultor.
He uses a robo-advisor. He uses a robo-advisor. She reads books on investing. She reads books on investing.
Ela lê livros sobre investimentos.
She reads books on investing. She reads books on investing. They opened a savings account. They opened a savings account.
Eles abriram uma conta poupança.
They opened a savings account. They opened a savings account. I invest a little at a time. I invest a little at a time.
Eu invisto pouco de cada vez.
I invest a little at a time. I invest a little at a time. He watches investment videos online. He watches investment videos online.
Ele assiste a vídeos sobre investimentos online.
He watches investment videos online. He watches investment videos online. She follows financial influencers. She follows financial influencers.
Ela segue influenciadores financeiros.
She follows financial influencers. She follows financial influencers. They are learning about compound interest. They are learning about compound interest.
Eles estão aprendendo sobre juros compostos.
They are learning about compound interest. They are learning about compound interest. I use dollar cost averaging. I use dollar cost averaging.
Eu uso o método de custo médio em dólar.
I use dollar cost averaging. I use dollar cost averaging. He avoids emotional decisions. He avoids emotional decisions.
Ele evita decisões emocionais.
He avoids emotional decisions. He avoids emotional decisions. She reviews her portfolio often. She reviews her portfolio often.
Ela revisa sua carteira com frequência.
She reviews her portfolio often. She reviews her portfolio often. They are focused on retirement savings. They are focused on retirement savings.
Eles estão focados em economizar para a aposentadoria.
They are focused on retirement savings. They are focused on retirement savings. I set aside money to invest monthly. I set aside money to invest monthly.
Eu separo dinheiro para investir mensalmente.
I set aside money to invest monthly. I set aside money to invest monthly. He keeps track of his returns. He keeps track of his returns.
Ele acompanha seus rendimentos.
He keeps track of his returns. He keeps track of his returns. She aims for steady growth. She aims for steady growth.
Ela busca crescimento constante.
She aims for steady growth. She aims for steady growth. They balance risk and reward. They balance risk and reward.
Eles equilibram risco e retorno.
They balance risk and reward. They balance risk and reward. I invest in both stocks and bonds. I invest in both stocks and bonds.
Eu invisto tanto em ações quanto em títulos.
I invest in both stocks and bonds. I invest in both stocks and bonds. He buys stocks during a dip. He buys stocks during a dip.
Ele compra ações durante uma queda.
He buys stocks during a dip. He buys stocks during a dip. She waits for the right opportunity. She waits for the right opportunity.
Ela espera pela oportunidade certa.
She waits for the right opportunity. She waits for the right opportunity. They invest in ETFs. They invest in ETFs.
Eles investem em ETFs.
They invest in ETFs. They invest in ETFs. I learn from my investment mistakes. I learn from my investment mistakes.
Eu aprendo com meus erros de investimento.
I learn from my investment mistakes. I learn from my investment mistakes. He keeps his investments simple. He keeps his investments simple.
Ele mantém seus investimentos simples.
He keeps his investments simple. He keeps his investments simple. She avoids debt when investing. She avoids debt when investing.
Ela evita dívidas ao investir.
She avoids debt when investing. She avoids debt when investing. They want financial freedom. They want financial freedom.
Eles querem liberdade financeira.
They want financial freedom. They want financial freedom. I save before I invest. I save before I invest.
Eu economizo antes de investir.
I save before I invest. I save before I invest. He started investing young. He started investing young.
Ele começou a investir jovem.
He started investing young. He started investing young. She encourages others to invest. She encourages others to invest.
Ela incentiva outras pessoas a investir.
She encourages others to invest. She encourages others to invest. They create a budget for investing. They create a budget for investing.
Eles criam orçamento para investir.
They create a budget for investing. They create a budget for investing. I follow a long-term strategy. I follow a long-term strategy.
Eu sigo uma estratégia de longo prazo.
I follow a long-term strategy. I follow a long-term strategy. He checks his investment goals. He checks his investment goals.
Ele verifica suas metas de investimento.
He checks his investment goals. He checks his investment goals. She reads company reports. She reads company reports.
Ela lê relatórios de empresas.
She reads company reports. She reads company reports. They protect their investments with insurance. They protect their investments with insurance.
Eles protegem seus investimentos com seguros.
They protect their investments with insurance. They protect their investments with insurance. I understand the risks involved. I understand the risks involved.
Eu entendo os riscos envolvidos.
I understand the risks involved. I understand the risks involved. He uses a financial app. He uses a financial app.
Ele usa um aplicativo financeiro.
He uses a financial app. He uses a financial app. She invests in foreign markets. She invests in foreign markets.
Ela investe em mercados estrangeiros.
She invests in foreign markets. She invests in foreign markets. They talk about market trends. They talk about market trends.
Eles conversam sobre tendências do mercado.
They talk about market trends. They talk about market trends. I trust my financial advisor. I trust my financial advisor.
Eu confio no meu consultor financeiro.
I trust my financial advisor. I trust my financial advisor. He invests based on research. He invests based on research.
Ele investe com base em pesquisas.
He invests based on research. He invests based on research. She checks her investment progress. She checks her investment progress.
Ela verifica o progresso de seus investimentos.
She checks her investment progress. She checks her investment progress. They review their financial plan yearly. They review their financial plan yearly.
Eles revisam seu plano financeiro anualmente.
They review their financial plan yearly. They review their financial plan yearly. I aim to retire early. I aim to retire early.
Eu pretendo me aposentar cedo.
I aim to retire early. I aim to retire early. He avoids risky ventures. He avoids risky ventures.
Ele evita empreendimentos arriscados.
He avoids risky ventures. He avoids risky ventures. She spreads her money across assets. She spreads her money across assets.
Ela distribui seu dinheiro entre diferentes ativos.
She spreads her money across assets. She spreads her money across assets. They keep learning about investing. They keep learning about investing.
Eles continuam aprendendo sobre investimentos.
They keep learning about investing. They keep learning about investing. I understand basic investment terms. I understand basic investment terms.
Eu entendo os termos básicos de investimento.
I understand basic investment terms. I understand basic investment terms. He invests with a partner. He invests with a partner.
Ele investe com parceiro.
He invests with a partner. He invests with a partner. She sells stocks when needed. She sells stocks when needed.
Ela vende ações quando necessário.
She sells stocks when needed. She sells stocks when needed. They avoid panic selling. They avoid panic selling.
Eles evitam vender em pânico.
They avoid panic selling. They avoid panic selling. I stay updated on financial news. I stay updated on financial news.
Eu me mantenho atualizado sobre notícias financeiras.
I stay updated on financial news. I stay updated on financial news. He plans for short-term and long-term goals. He plans for short-term and long-term goals.
Ele planeja metas de curto e longo prazo.
He plans for short-term and long-term goals. He plans for short-term and long-term goals. She sets realistic expectations. She sets realistic expectations.
Ela define expectativas realistas.
She sets realistic expectations. She sets realistic expectations. They consider inflation when investing. They consider inflation when investing.
Eles consideram a inflação ao investir.
They consider inflation when investing. They consider inflation when investing.
Obrigado por assistir. Inscreva-se no canal e ative as notificações para receber novos vídeos e continuar sua jornada no inglês.